Have you ever wondered how expensive can a dish of a certain delicacy cost? Well, there are dishes that would cost one a fortune and are meant only for the ones with deep pockets. In World's Top 10, let's have a glance at some of them. Before beginning the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's begin the video. On to number 10, it's the Golden Opulence Sundae. The Golden Opulence Sundae is worth $1,000 and needs to be ordered 48 hours in advance. The dessert features 3 scoops of Tahitian vanilla ice cream covered in a 23-karat gold leaf, almonds, caviar and a sugar-forged orchid that takes 8 hours to build. It is served in a Baccarat crystal goblet worth $350 with a 18-karat gold spoon. It is made using high-quality ingredients that includes chocolate from Tuscany, vanilla beans from Madagascar and a candied fruit from Paris. Its cone comes with a gelato and it's topped with caramelized pecans. It also includes white chocolate truffles, a raspberry macaron, fruit-filled pipettes, edible diamonds and a gold leaf. Coming on to number 9, it's the zillion-dollar lobster frittata costing around $2,000. The omelette is available at Norma's in Le Parker Medine Hotel in Manhattan, New York. It features 10 ounces of Savoy caviar, a lobster, 6 eggs, cream, chives and lobster sauce and is served over a bed of Yukon Gold potatoes. It has also been mentioned in the Guinness Book of World Records as the most expensive omelette in the world. On to number 8, it's the white truffle and gold pizza. It was known to be one of the most expensive pizza on the planet some years back. Featuring a thin crust base, the pizza features buffalo mozzarella, white truffles and is sprinkled with 24-karat edible gold leaf. If you fancy relishing this piece of pure delicacy, you need to head straight to Margoso Pizzeria in Valletta, Malta, while it comes with a price tag of around $2,420. On to number 7, it's the 6.5-gallon tin of Bakos popcorn that cost around $2,500. Each of the popcorn is covered with caramel and a 23-karat gold flakes. They are seasoned with Lesio salt, which is not easily available. But is this bucket of popcorn still worth its price? Well, it is, as its proceeds are donated to a food bank that would feed around 200 people. The 24K pizza is topped with a layer of actual gold and is served in Industry Kitchen of New York. The dish is topped with edible gold leaf worth hundreds of dollars, oyster caviar, foie gras, important white silicone cheese and truffle. The lip-smacking delicacy is worth $2,700 and it's in number 6 of our top 10 list. On to number 5 is the Fleur Burger 5000 in the top 10 list. Served in Fleur by the Hubert Color in Las Vegas, the Fleur Burger 5000 is the most expensive burger not only in the US but also in the world and comes with a price tag of around $5,000. The mouth-watering dish features Wagyu beef and it's topped with a foie gras and truffles. It also comes with a few slabs of prime foie gras and a duck fat in a freshly baked brachio bun. The burger is served with a bottle of 1995 Petrus. Coming on to number 4 is the Beluga Almas Caviar. Served by Beluga, the only caviar dedicated restaurant in Dubai, a portion of 250 grams of Beluga's Almas caviar is sold for $9,884. Almas is known as the king of the kings in caviar world as it is the rarest and the most expensive caviar in the world. The 24-karat golden cigar that is served with the Almas caviar is worth $422. On to number 3 is the Louis XIII pizza costing around $12,000. The most expensive pizza in the world is known to be created by Renato Viola. The pizza was initially created for 2 people and was just 20 cm. The dough used for it took as long as 72 hours to rise and needs to rest for a long time before being cooked. It is made of ingredients like 3 types of caviar, Oscrator Royal Prestige, Caspia Oscrator Royal Classic and the Iranian Coast and Caspia Beluga. Beside the caviar, the pizza also features a very expensive lobster that have been shipped from Norway, along with 7 types of cheese. Costing as much as $12,000, the Louis XIII pizza is served in Salerno, Italy. On number 2 is the Fortress Splil Fisherman Indulgence. Offered in Fortress Resort and Spa in Gale, Sri Lanka, the Fortress Still Fisherman Indulgence is renowned for being the world's most expensive dessert. It is prepared only on special request and comes with a price tag of as much as 14,500 US dollars. The dessert features a still fisherman that is handmade from chocolate. The base of it is an Italian cassate flavored with Baelish Irish cream. It is beautifully served with a mango and a pomegranate component and a champagne Sabayon sauce and is adorned with a gold leaf, making it truly unique. The dessert features on 80-carat aquamarine stone that sits on the fisherman chocolate still. The Fortress Still Fisherman Indulgence is served with custom handmade, studio-flared glass cutlery. On to number 1, it's the Grand Valet Tacos. The most expensive dish in the world, this taco features Kobe beef, Almas beluga caviar and a black truffle brie cheese and is served on a gold flake infused corn tortilla. The taco is also served with an exotic salsa comprised of dried motilla chili peppers, Le 0.925 ultra premium Anigo tequila and topped with a civet coffee beans. Costing a whopping around 25,000 US dollars, the dish is available in Mexico at the new Grand Valet Lo Cabot Resort's Frida restaurant. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today's video. I'll be back with some more mind-blowing facts in the next video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and click the notification all for some awesome facts and stories. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.